Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about create coupons. So let's see how can we create coupons. For creating the coupons, first of all, let's create a new model. Okay, so switch to the command prompt. And for creating the new model, just type here the command php artisan make model, space model name. Let's say model name is coupon and also create the migration, so just type here dash m. Okay, now press enter. Okay, model created, model and migration has been created. Now switch to the project and let's open the create coupon table migration. So for that, just go inside the database directory, then migration, and from here just open create coupons table, this migration. Okay, and inside this migration, let's add some column here. So for that, just write here dollar table arrow data type, which is a string, and column name, which is coupon code. Okay, so simply write here code and also add here the unique. Okay, another column dollar table arrow data type enum, and add here the column name coupon type. So write here type and add here two value. Okay, first value is fixed, for fixed discount, and another value for percentage discount. Okay, so simply write here percent. All right, and now add here the another column data type decimal, and column name, which is uh, coupon code value. So simply write here value, and last column, which is cart value. Okay, so add here the data type decimal and column name, which is cart underscore value. All right, now save this file. Now let's copy this table name and go to the coupon model. So just go inside the app directory, then models, and from here just open coupon.php file. And inside this file, let's add here the table name. So right here protected dollar table is equal to table name, which is coupon. Okay, now save this file. Now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt, and for migrating the migration, just type here the command php artisan make php artisan migrate. Okay, and now press enter. Okay, migration migrated. All right, now let's create three livewire component for coupons. Okay, first component for showing all the coupons, second component for add new coupons, and third component for edit the coupons. Okay, so let's create these three coupons one by one. So for creating the new livewire new component, creating new livewire component, just type in the command php artisan make livewire space directory name, which is admin slash component name. Okay, so for showing all the component coupons, let's add here the component name, which is admin coupons component. All right, and now press enter. Okay, component created. And now let's create the component for the add new coupon. So for that, change here the component name add admin add coupon component. Okay, and now press enter. Component created, and one more component for edit the coupon. So change here the component name, which is edit coupon component. Okay, all right, all this coupon component has been created. Now run the application. So write here php artisan serve. All right, now switch to the project. Now let's create the route for these three components. So for that, just go inside the routes directory, then just open web.php file, and inside this file, just go inside the admin route middle group, and inside this middle group, add here route middle group. Just add here a new route. So simply write here route get, and first route for the showing all the coupons. So write here the URI admin slash coupons. Okay, and now add here the component class name, which is admin coupons. This one colon class, and also give the route name. So write here name, and let's say route name is admin dot coupons. Okay, and now create the another route for add new coupon. So write here route colon get slash admin slash coupon slash add. Okay, and then add here the class name admin add coupon component colon class. Okay, and then name, and here the name route name, which is admin dot add coupon. Okay, and one more route for edit the coupon. So write here route colon get URI admin slash coupon slash edit slash pass one parameter, which is coupon ID underscore ID. Now add here the component class name admin edit coupon component. Okay, then colon class and name, and this time add here the route name, which is admin dot edit coupon coupon. Okay, now save this file. Now let's add the layout inside these three components. So go inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and just open the admin coupon component.php file, and inside this file let's add here the layout. Add here arrow sign layout, and inside this add here the directory name layouts dot layout name, which is base. All right, and now just copy this and go to the admin add coupon component.php file and paste here the layout name. Okay, and now go to the admin edit edit coupon component.php file and also paste here. Okay, layout layout.base. All right, now go to the layout file. So from the resources directory, resources views, and now just go inside the layout directory, and from here just open base.blade.php file. Okay, inside this file let's add the link for the coupon. So inside the admin menu, after this cell setting, let's copy this and paste here. Okay, now change here the title all coupon. Okay, and also change here the text all coupon. Okay, and now add here the route name admin dot coupons. Okay, now save this file. Now let's check this link. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now click on admin menu, and you can see here all coupon link. Now just click on this link, and you can see here the coupons component. Okay, now inside this component let's create a table. So just to the project, and now go to the admin coupon component view file. So from the resources directory, views, livewire, admin, and from here just open admin coupons dash component dot blade dot php file. Okay, and here I am just going to copy from admin category component. Okay, so just go inside this component and let's copy all the text from here, and now go to the admin coupons component.blade.php file and just select all the text and paste here. Okay, now inside this admin coupons component.blade.php file, let's make some changes. So first of all, just remove this style. Okay, and now change here the title all coupon. Okay, and for add new coupon, change here the route name add coupon. Okay, let's check the route name admin dot add coupon. Okay, so just copy this route name and paste here. All right, now it's done. Now inside this table, add here the change here the heading id and second table heading, which is coupon code. So right here coupon code, another column which is coupon type, and now just copy this and add here the heading coupon value, and one more heading which is coupon cart value. Okay, all right, now save this file and now go to the admin coupons component class file, admin coupon components.php file, and inside this render method, let's fetch all coupons. So just write here dollar coupons is equal to, and write here the model name coupon colon colon all, and now let's pass this coupons inside the component view file. So inside this add here comma big bracket coupons arrow dollar coupons. Okay, all right, now save this file and now go to the view file. Inside this view file component coupon admin coupons component.blade.php file, let's change here the variable name inside the for each. So right here coupons edge coupon. Okay, and also change here, and now just remove this and let's copy this td and paste multi-time. Okay, now change here the column name code, another column which is type, then value, and then cart value cart underscore value. Okay, and inside the edit link, also change here, first change here the route name edit coupon admin dot edit coupon, and then coupon underscore id, and now just pass here the dollar coupon arrow id. Okay, and for deletion for deleting the coupon, on click is equal to confirm are you sure you want to delete this coupon. Okay, and also change here coupon arrow id. Okay, and here method name, function name, delete coupon. All right, and also remove this pagination. Now before this value, let's add here if directive, if, and let's check here coupon arrow type is equal to, if type is fixed, okay, then uh, just print here the coupon value with dollar sign, okay. Otherwise add here the else part, else, and now just copy this and paste inside the else part. And if coupon type is not fixed, then print the coupon value with percent sign, okay. And after this just close here the if directive, int if. All right, okay, now save this file. Okay, now let's create this delete coupon function inside the class file. So inside this admin coupon component class file, let's create a function for deleting the coupon, public function, and function name which is delete coupon, and inside this pass one parameter which is coupon id, coupon underscore id. All right, and now dollar coupon is equal to model name coupon, colon find, and pass here the id coupon underscore id. All right, and now just call here the delete function coupon arrow delete, and after this set the station flash, and inside this flash flash flsh, add in the key message, and simply write here the message coupon has been deleted successfully. All right, okay, now save this file. Okay, now showing this flash message inside this view file. You can see here this message has been added. This alert div has been added. Okay, okay, now save this file. Now go to the admin add uh, coupon component view file. So from the resources directory, just open this one, admin add coupon dash component dot php file, dot blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file, first of all remove all the text, and now go to the admin add category component dot blade.php file, and here let's select all the text and copy, and now go to the admin add coupon component dot blade.php file and paste here. Okay, and now make some changes inside this file. So first of all change here the title, add new coupon. Okay, and also change here the text all coupon, route name admin dot coupons. Okay, all right, and inside this form first of all just remove this wire colon key up, this one. Okay, and now change here the label coupon, code, and also change the placeholder. All right, and now let's copy this and paste here one more time, and change here the label coupon type, and just remove this input text field and add here the select control. Okay, so right here select class, and class is equal to form control, form dash control, and inside this select add three option, and first option is select value blank, so right here select another option, so just copy this and add here the value fixed, and display text fixed. Okay, and another option which is percent. Okay, and display text percent. All right, coupon code, coupon type, now change here the label coupon value, and also change here the inside the placeholder. All right, and now one more input text field for the cart value, so just paste here and change here the label cart value. Okay, now just copy this and paste inside this placeholder. All right, okay, now go to the admin add a coupon component class file, and let's create some property. So inside this class file, let's add here, let's get the property public dollar, first property which is code, another property public type coupon type, so write here type public dollar value coupon value, and public dollar cart underscore value. All right, now let's bind this property with form. So go to the view file, add coupon component.php file, and inside this file let's change here the property name wire model for coupon code. Let's add here the property name which is code, also change here inside the @ error directive. Okay, and inside the coupon type, just find the property wire model is equal to time. Okay, and also change here time. And for the coupon value, uh, control plus D value. Okay, and for cart value, select control plus D cart underscore value. All right, okay, now save this, and also change here the method name, function name, the store coupon. Okay, and now let's copy this function name and let's create. So inside the admin add coupon component.php class file, let's create a function public function and function name which is a store coupon, and inside this first of all validate the input. So for that just type here $this arrow validate, and inside this pass an array. Okay, and add here the column name which is code, add the validation which is required pipe sign, and also add the unique. Okay, unique colon table name which is coupon. All right, another column which is type, add the validation required, third column which is value, validation required pipe sign numeric. Okay, and fourth column which is cart underscore value and required. Okay, spelling mistake here, numeric coupon C. Okay, required pipe sign numeric. All right, and after this validation, create a variable coupon is equal to new coupon, then coupon arrow code is equal to $this arrow code. Okay, now just copy this and paste it time, control plus D and add here type, then value, and here cart underscore value. Okay, and after this we'll call here the save method, so $coupon arrow save, and after this just put a message inside the session class. So right here session arrow flash, add the key message, and add the message coupon has been created successfully. All right, okay, now here let's add the lifecycle hook method updated. So for that just write here public function and function name updated, and inside this pass one argument which is fields. Okay, and then $this arrow validate only, this one, and inside this first pass this $fields, comma, add here the arrow sign, and inside this big bracket I'm just going to copy this in this column and paste here. All right, okay, now save this file. All right, now go to the admin add coupon edit coupon component view file. Okay, so from this directory just open admin edit coupon dash component.blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file just remove all the text, and now go to the admin add coupon component.blade.php file, and from here select all the text and copy, and inside this view file edit coupon component view file just paste here. Okay, and change here the some text, simply write here add edit coupon. Okay, and inside uh, inside this form change here the function name update coupon. Okay, and now everything is good, and also change here the button text update. All right, now save this file, and now go to the admin edit coupon component to class file. Okay, so inside this file, inside from http livewire admin, and from here just open this one admin edit coupon component.php file. Okay, and first go to the this file add coupon component.php file, and from here let's copy these all codes from here to here. Okay, select and copy, and now go to the edit coupon component.php file, and inside this class just paste here. Okay, and now add one more property here, public dollar coupon underscore id. Okay, and after this let's add here mount lifecycle hook method. So write here public function and function name, which is mount, and inside this just pass one argument, which is coupon underscore id. All right, and now dollar coupon is equal to model name coupon colon find, and inside this just pass here coupon underscore id. All right, then dollar this arrow code is equal to dollar coupon, and paste the code. All right, and now just copy this and paste 3 times, and change here the name, type, also change here value, then uh, cart value, cart underscore value, and also fetch the coupon id. Okay, so we write here this property name coupon id, and here coupon arrow id. All right, okay, and inside this function let's change here the function name. So write here update coupon. All right, and here remove this and add here the model name coupon colon find, and inside this just pass here dollar this arrow coupon underscore id. Okay, and now everything is good, and change here the message coupon has been updated. Okay, now save this file, admin edit coupon dash component.blade.php file, uh, update coupon, update coupon. Okay, everything is good, all done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page, and you can see here a blank table for the coupon. Okay, now for adding the new coupon, let's click on this link, add new. So just click on this link, and you can see here the form. Okay, if I click on submit without entering any value, and you can see here the validation error. Okay, now let's enter the correct value. So I'm just going to add here the coupon code, let's say of 5, and select the coupon type percent. Okay, and coupon value 5%, and card if card value is equal to or greater than $500. Okay, then apply this code. All right, now just click on submit, and you can see here coupon has been created successfully. Okay, now let's check this. So just click on all coupon, and you can see here the coupon. Okay, and now let's check the edit link. So click on this link, edit, and you can see here the coupon code, coupon type, coupon value, and cart value. Okay, let's change the coupon code. I'm just going to add here edit and added of 100. Okay, and coupon type fixed, and coupon value say $100, and cart value is equal to or greater than $1,000. Okay, now just click on update, and you can see coupon has been updated successfully. Okay, and if I click on all coupon, you can see here the updated coupon value. Okay, now let's add one more coupon. This time of 10, coupon type percent, and here 10%, and if cart value is equal to or greater than $1200. Okay, now let's click on submit. Coupon added. Okay, and you can see here this is of 100 coupon code, coupon type fixed. Okay, and you can see here the coupon value $100, and if cart value is equal to or greater than this one 1000, and second coupon code is of 10, which coupon type is percent, and you can see here the value 10%, and uh, this coupon code is applied when the cart value is equal to or greater than $1200. Okay, now let's check the this delete link. So I'm just going to delete this coupon code. So let's delete this. So click on this link. If you want to delete this, so just click on OK, and you can see the coupon has been deleted successfully. All right, so in this way you can create coupons. In next video we will see how can we apply this coupon on card. Okay, so that's all about creating coupons. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.